Are you prepared to retire to the blissful beaches of Maui with Tesla at last? In this video, we'll discuss the thrilling possibilities of the Cybertruck, how the stock of Tesla could soar to new heights, and the possibility of retiring at the end of the year. The false information included in this knowledge, the excitement surrounding the introduction of this groundbreaking car, and the potential for new all-time highs in Tesla stock prices. The ideal scenario for an astute Tesla investor with a we'll go into the specifics of 2023 and 2024 production and deliveries to determine just how much of an impact the Cybertruck can make, from the anticipated 90,000 Model X and 1.1 million Model Broad deliveries, to the computation of pricing averages. A few shares the cash out and create strong passive income. The Cybertruck may send stock prices to the moon, reset Tesla stock, and reach new heights if Tesla mass produces and launches its energy. FSD will boost Tesla shares for sure, but nothing like the Cybertruck. This video contains all the information you need to stay ahead of the game. Get ready for a wild ride to the world at Tesla stock and discover if the Cybertruck can send you to the sandy beaches of Cancun for all time in 2023. With an ultra-strong 30x cold-rolled stainless steel exterior and bulletproof glass, this futuristic and bold pickup truck offers an unmatched combination of power efficiency and flair. It is unlike anything you have ever seen. These are the main reasons why Tesla stock has reached new heights and all-time highs. However, if the Cybertruck is mass-produced, goes on the road, and orders keep coming in, we can expect a lot of hype, excitement, and orders for the Cybertruck, which will likely lead to higher margins and revenues and sustain the stock at all-time highs. We'll look at 2023 and 2024 production and deliveries. The Cybertruck is built to withstand anything and everything the road can throw at it. With up to 500 miles of range and a lightning-fast 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, this electric beast is guaranteed to turn heads and leave the competition in the dust. With the exception of Cybertrucks, which we'll work on together in 2023, I've put all production numbers, delivery percentages, and deliveries to see if the Cybertruck can send Tesla stock to the moon and enable your early retirement. Although they'll likely do 50,000 in 2024, I estimate that 90,000 Model X, 700,000 Model 3s, and 1.1 million Cybertrucks will be delivered in 2023. Let's utilize the Model X, which needs 90,000 deliveries, and let's say 4,750 for semi-deliveries, as previously said. Now that we have their price averages, let's get the pricing average for Model X with an additional 10% discount. While Tesla hasn't done so yet, a further $10 in price reductions will bring the average Model X down to $100,000 and create $8.6 billion in sales. I performed the same exercise with the Model 3 and Model Y, reducing their prices by 10. The average result was $45,000 for the Model 3 and $50,000 for the Model Y. In addition, should Tesla reduce prices further, let's say for the Model 3, the Model 3 will no longer be worth more than $40,000 prior to the 7,500 EV credits. If that is the case, the pricing will be approximately $39,000. Given that the Model 3 alone generates over $30 billion in sales, let's move on to Cybertrucks. Cyber vehicles won't be built in large quantities until 2025 to 2027. However, 3,000 Cybertrucks in 2023 seems reasonable. I would be happy to see 3,000 manufacturing in 2023 since, although the prototype is simple, manufacturing would be difficult owing to strong demand. Pre-orders for 1.6 million Cybertrucks, I've ordered 98 delivery rates, which will provide us with 2,940 Cybertrucks by 2023. According to reports stating that the average selling price is $55,000 or more, which is quite a significant amount. It's crazy that some of you are claiming 60,000, while others have been claiming as much as 80,000. Due to factory shutdowns and the overwhelming demand for the Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla was unable to fulfill pre-orders. Therefore, I believe the most realistic estimate is probably $50,000 to $55,000. To be conservative, the total revenue received for the first year of the Cybertruck was $160, almost $162 million, which is pretty good for the margins. However, I do believe that at least 20% will be made, most likely in the $25 to $30 range. But keeping things conservative, I feel like it will be much more than that. The total number of vehicles produced is 1.9 million, with 1.8 million delivered overall. The average selling price is $51,000. These prices include an additional 10% price reduction for every item, with the exception of semis and Cybertrucks. But that won't really affect anything, because the majority of the reduction will be made for the 2023 Model 3s and models, which is where the majority of the impact will be felt. Total revenue in 2023 is expected to exceed $92.5 billion, and an operating margin of 12.2% would result in a total net income of nearly $11.3 billion. Everyone in the auto industry will report a loss for 2023, but Tesla will report a net income of $11 billion. We'll look at the 2023 Tesla stock price after estimating 2024 Tesla production and delivery. In this regard, it is anticipated that 1 million Model 3s and 120,000 Model S and Model XS will be delivered. All of this is certainly possible. Average prices should be assumed to remain the same, and prices could even drop in 2024, not due to lower prices, of course, but rather to economies of scale for Tesla to produce these cars, so they can lower the price or maintain it at the same level for the S2023 by 2024. Tesla hopes to create 1,000 Cybertrucks a week, which is absurd but doable given their extensive experience and understanding of the necessity of producing this vehicle in large quantities. With 22 margins, it is possible to produce 50,000 units annually by 2024, which would bring Tesla's revenue from $32 million in 2023 to over $600 million in 2024. A 20-fold gain, or nearly so, if we only consider the increase in Cybertruck sales between 2023 and 2024. The Cybertruck will help even more on a mass scale than any other truck, and with sales of over $132 billion and operating margins of over 15%, it will raise Tesla's total average selling price. With these gains, the company's net income would nearly double from 2023 to $20 billion. What does this indicate for the stock prices in 2023 and 2024? And more significantly, what does it mean for retirement? In 2024, Tesla's total revenue and net income will have a significant impact. In 2023, the energy sector alone will yield a 15% margin. If they make $7.5 billion in revenue, it amounts to nearly $1 billion in profits from energy alone. For the previous 3 quarters, Tesla's energy operating margin has consistently hovered around 10 to 12%. Since energy is scarce, and I believe Tesla Energy will surprise everyone in 2023, I'm estimating that it was 12% in the final quarter of Q4 and 15% in 2023. In 2023, after we've a complete image, I believe that the Fed, which might have made a different decision, is the reason we are emerging from this recession, and by 2024, everyone will be enjoying a bull market. Since the Cybertruck is the next great thing in terms of market share and money, it can lead us to the moon or beyond. Because of this, a high 60p will likely yield $461 per share and $1.5 trillion in 2024. Look at the energy side, look at the FSD side, and yes, of course, look at the Cybertruck. They sell a lot more. You can sell the FSD to them too. So let's calculate. Assuming that an investor needs $1.7 million to retire comfortably after selling some stocks and investing the proceeds in passive indices, such as the SP 500, which yields an average annual return of 8%. If the price per share of the Cybertruck drops to $461 due to the incident, an investor would require 3687 shares to retire comfortably in the Bahamas in 2024. That's it. Please share your opinions in the comments area. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one.